Welcome back to the channel. My name is Harold. Today is Friday, April 10th, and in today's video, I'll just be going over the trade that I took today and my thought process behind it. So just getting into the daily plan as always. Yesterday we saw price have a good strong move to the upside, and we topped out here at 68.75. We ended up consolidating all night, and then at around 5:30 a.m., we get this move to the upside, attempting to break the highs here, right? But we failed. So this failure to me was a somewhat bearish signal, but we really won't know until market opens. So my plan for the day revolved around this previous day value area high. If we're able to break back above it, hold, then I'm looking to take longs. But if we're able to come down here and resist it, then I'm looking to take shorts, targeting around this area for shorts. For longs, we didn't have any more volume profiles to play off of, so there was a target around the 69.30s that I found. So that was the plan for the day. What ended up happening was that we got that initial move to the downside, and then we got bought back up. We saw weakness from the buyers, and I took my short. I took my short at 68.77, and I ended up getting taken out of the trade break even. My break even point was this 68.71 level. If price was able to close below it, then I was looking to move my stop, which was at 68.84, down to break even. Now, as you guys can see, after we got stopped out, the price ran exactly to our targets. We ended up hitting the target, but we weren't a part of the trade, which is okay. That happens. Like, today is Friday. I'll gladly take a break-even day on a Friday. But just getting into the order flow, so getting into the order flow, this was kind of my signal here, right? So we first got this retracement, and then we moved back up, and this could have easily been a breakout trade. But what distinguished this as not being a breakout trade for me was the lack of volume as we're breaking to the upside here. As we're breaking up, there's a lack of volume. Right? Initially, we see that high volume, 19,000 lots, and then we just sell off 15,000, 10,000, 11,000. Right? We sell off, but it's showing that buyers are being aggressive, but why is price not moving higher? That's the question. Why is it not moving higher when they're being very aggressive? And then the signal for me was this right here. So for me, when I look for reversals, I first look for some type of increase in volume. So to us, this was right here, from 11,000 lots to 17,000. We get that increase in volume. The next thing I look for is absorption or exhaustion. We clearly see that there is buying absorption, number one, because price was not able to close above this aggressive buying. So that shows first sign of absorption. Second sign of absorption is that there was 7% positive delta of aggressive buyers, but the candle closed red, which meant that these sellers actually absorbed all the aggressive buying. We also got a shift in delta from 7% to negative 3.1%, and we got that decrease in volume showing that there is no more strength, there is no more participation, and that price is not accepting these higher levels. And this is the 5-minute chart, but I thought this trade was looking pretty good because after we entered, we got an impulsive move to the downside, aggressive selling, high volume, right? On the next candle, we see that buyers get absorbed. On the next candle, we see that buyers get absorbed. And for all three of these candles, below the absorption was aggressive selling taking place, right? I highlighted that in red. Also, as well over here, we had aggressive selling taking place. So I thought that the trade was looking pretty good for me. And once we broke below this and held 68.71, which happened right over here, I moved my stop from break even, so no, from around 68.84 to break even, which was around the 77.25s, and then we got stopped out right here. And on the 2-minute as well, we saw some pretty similar confirmations. I would say the most notable one would be that there was an increase in volume here and aggressive buying, 8,000 lots, 19% positive delta, but we see that there is buying absorption. And then on the next candle, we clearly see a decrease in volume from 8,000 to 6,000, a decrease in aggression from the buyers, as well as a red candle showing that all those buyers got absorbed. And pretty similar confirmations after that. And then just getting into the logistics of the trade, we lost about $5 on this trade. This is pretty much break even for me. The reason it was $5 is because every time a contract is traded, it's about 50 cents. So in terms of commissions and fees, it comes out to around $5 since I'm trading 5 contracts. We had a planned R multiple of 3.89, initial target of $656. And then also, 5 micros, not 5 minis, 5 micros. We were in the trade for about 23 minutes. I believe that this was a pretty good trade. I thought that I took a good trade. I mean, obviously, I'm not allowed to take more than one trade right now, so, I would have never even been able to take the second opportunity, but that's just what happens sometimes with trading, and that's fine. As long as you execute well, as long as I'm patient, as long as I take the proper trades, I feel like I'm improving as a trader. And I feel like I really had a good trading session this week, even though I only had one profitable day. I took 3 total trades, and it was a hard week. There was a lot of high impact news. There was a lot of randomness from tweets, from war news. Like, it was a hard session, and I think that I handled it well. Just coming into the Lucid Prof Firm account, we do an update every Friday. So as you guys can see, we're up about $1,300 on this account. We need to create a buffer of $2,000. We've already had 23 trading days on this account, so it's been quite a while, yeah. And it's been pretty hard, especially since I started trading prop firms in February. Like, the conditions just got really tough starting March. So it's been hard to just first get used to what prop firms are, the rules and everything that comes with it. But then now I gotta follow the consistency rules of this account. And then I was really close to getting the payout, and I ended up losing a little bit. But we're back on track. We'll be there soon if we take it slowly. And yeah, just gotta keep on digging and keep on pushing. And I know that everything will work out soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.